The topic of today's video is Docusign, how to create a template. So here we are on the Docusign home screen, and all we want to do is click on templates on the top. And here in templates, we want to click on create a template. All right, so now what you need to do, name your template, describe your template, add the document, so whatever you made in Word or PowerPoint or whatever, and then you can add recipients and you can add a message as well. And once you're done with everything here, all you need to do is hit next. All right, so let's say this is our random template. Now in here, we can drop in our fields. So let's say we had two different recipients. All we need to do is just drag and drop signatures, initials, stamps, whatever you want. And when you're done setting it all up, all you need to do is hit save and close, and you have officially made your own template in Docusign. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.